Stephen, if you want to start sharing, I will give your intro. Stephen is from CAPTUR3D. Foria is actually the parent company, and Foria is an all-in-one 3D virtual tour software and management platform. They've created CAPTUR3D, which is a Matterport-based content management system offering virtual staging and augmented reality solutions. Stephen was also one that was hard to find a fun fact on, but I found it. Stephen's very first Instagram post, it may have been inspired by Valentine's Day. It was posted on February 15th, 2014, and his post is of his hero, Sylvester Stallone. So that was pretty impressive. Stephen,
impressive that you found it is what the impressive part is.
Well, I'm good at certain things, and that's finding people on the internet is one of them. So Stephen, tell us about CAPTUR3D.
Awesome. Let's dive in. So this is CAPTUR3D. It's a purpose-built real estate tool for Matterport virtual tours. Whether you're a photographer or a realtor, CAPTUR3D's intention is to make your life more efficient and help you deliver better value content back to your clients. In 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create an entire marketing suite. So that's a virtual tour, floor plans, optimized photos, websites, and analytics, all ready, all sorted, and back to your client. I'm going to start from the finish and we'll go all the way through to the end. So what you're seeing here is the order page. I've put my address in, selected my client and their branding. I've copied in my Matterport URL and it's given me a preview so I know it's the right property. First and foremost, floor plans. Every real estate property needs a floor plan. CAPTUR3D has hundreds of templates, whether it's a 3D floor plan, a site plan, a floor plan, a 3D floor plan with a site plan, whatever it is, we've got it imperial or metric. And if we don't, you can upload your own design and we can create that for you as well. The second part is post-production. You are too busy to be doing your own post-production. Let our professionals take care of it for you. This is setting your start location, creating your highlight reels, optimizing your tour, removing unnecessary sweeps, everything you need to do to get this tour back to your clients. You have better things to do, so let our professionals take care of it for you. And finally, a website. All of our purchases come with websites, and I'll go through that in a moment. So I prepared a property earlier. Let me just jump into this, and I can show you through a few of the features here. So firstly, I created this as a guided audio tour. I'm just going to click start quickly and then turn it on to mute so you don't have to listen to it. As you can see. So there's two ways of using the audio function in CAPTUR3D, the background audio for ambience, but the most important one for real estate is location-based audio. So each room can have its own audio stream, so you can feed the information to the client when they enter into that room. A couple other pieces here, you can see that the custom icons here have been changed for uniqueness. We have thousands of icons you can choose from. My colleague here, Alex, is embedded in media, whether it's a video or an image. This is a great tool to use for real estate. This could be used as a suburb overview or information about your company itself. The fourth thing here that you may or may not be able to see is actually virtually staged furniture. I'm going to turn it on and off so you can see the assets themselves. So CAPTUR3D has one of the widest ranges of virtually staged assets available on the market today, with thousands of options available, whether you're staging a house from the start to finish or doing what I've just done there, adding a last couple pieces. It's completely for free and perfectly optimized for mobile and desktop use. Diving into a few of the contact pieces here, which are really important. Being able to contact or reach out to a client is super important, whether it's a mobile phone number or sending through an email. All of this is embedded into CAPTUR3D and stored to track and communicate with your clients back and forth. That branding that we put on before during that order process, so that Jealous Craig branding, it's not just there for beauty. We've actually embedded a whole bunch of metadata into the SEO optimization. So CAPTUR3D URLs are intended to rank higher in Google searches than any other platform. Moving away from the virtual tour for a second, I'm going to dive into those assets. So we ordered those floor plans. They're going to come back here delivered within 6 hours. We've got the 3D ones and the site plans there, but I want to focus on the photos here for a second. So within CAPTUR3D, we pull in the photos from Matterport, whether it's the highlight reel or the automatic ones that are taken, or you could upload your own. At a click of a button, you can optimize your photos. And so this is photo retouching. Whether you're creating bluer skies, greener grasses, or you want to remove that camera from a mirror, at the click of a button, you can order those photos and within minutes, they're coming back to you, ready to go. So now that we've got our photos all optimized, our floor plans have been delivered, I have written up a little blurb for this property and written in some information there as well. At a click of a button, I've got my one-page website, all branded, all ready to go. Again, we've got countless numbers of templates, but we've also got a template builder. So you can design your tour or your website, sorry, the way that you want it to be seen, maybe different ones for each client. In this one, I've got my optimized photos at the top. I've got my property information here in the middle with the floor plan and my virtual tour at the bottom. And all the way through, I've got my contact information here as well. And so just like that, we've got a branded virtual tour, our optimized photos, everything's been post-production sorted by us, and our floor plan's ready to go. We do have an augmented reality tool in market and available. I don't have time to go through it today, but it's amazing. Please check it out. The last part I wanted to finish on was analytics. Data is so important in this, to be able to show your client how your tours are being used and where they're being viewed from. Our system provides a complete overview, so views, total users, average time, and where the referrers, and so where they're coming from. On top of that, we also provide a heat map, so we can show you where they're actually moving within that space. This is available both on the virtual tour and the website. And going back to that efficiency side of thing, you don't have time to send these emails out, so we can take care of that for you. You can set a report and forget about it. So whether it's weekly, daily, monthly, you can select the people you want to send it to, click it once and forget about it, but stay front of mind every time those email reports are sent to your clients. All of those leads that were generated through the virtual tour and one-page website, they're also all stored in here, easy for you to get access to and report back to. So within 5 minutes, I've managed to go through a virtual tour, brand it up, get your floor plans ready, your photos, your website, or your analytics tracking. We do have a delivery system because zipping all that stuff up, you don't need to be able to do it. There it is. You click the button, the virtual tour, photos, floor plans, and done. I think the alarm must have gone off, but yeah, I didn't hear it. I'm sorry.
Next time we'll have a louder buzzer.
Just shout, sorry.
Great job. Thank you for that presentation. Carolita from Chile again said, same basic question for Stephen. Can the website and virtual tours be customized into Spanish?
Yeah, so all of the fonts on the one-page website and the virtual tour can be in any language. The platform itself, so Captured itself, is in English at the moment, and we do have plans on making it multilingual, but all the forward-facing content can be changed to any language, and that's available now.
Okay, great. A couple other questions here. Mark says, like the 6-hour turnaround, how much is it to get the floor plans made? We'll address all the pricing stuff in a one-on-one setting. We would need a person to then do changes on that plan for us. So can you do floor plan changes, Stephen?
Yeah, I'll take that second part. So with the floor plan side of things, we offer free amendments and unlimited amount of amendments. And there's a couple of reasons why we do that. If we do offer that, it means that our team's going to get it right more often than not the first time, so we don't have to do those amendments constantly. But if there is little changes and things like that, we quickly turn them around within minutes and provide them back, whether it's a room change or things like that as well.